Hey there, scientist. Come on in. Welcome to the lab. I am so excited you're here. We are getting started on our very first experiment of the day. Can you help us? Great. We're going to make our very own snowman. And then we're going to make it melt using science. But first, we need the help of our lab assistant, Theo. He's around here somewhere. Can you call him with me? Okay. Oh, Theo! There you are!
Hola, científicos! Theo here, reporting for snow duty.
Hola, Theo. We're going to make our own snowman today. So we're going to start with some baking soda and a little bit of water. Mix, mix, mix.
¡Qué frío! Aren't your hands cold?
Oh no, Theo, this is just fake snow, so we don't have to worry about it melting if it gets too warm. So we're just going to mix the baking soda and the water together until we have a consistency close to snow where you can start to build stuff with it. So now we're gonna transfer it. So we're gonna put a little bit here so we can start building our snowman. So let's see, a snowman has three main parts. There's the bottom, the middle, and the top. So let's start with the bottom first. Bottom, the middle, which is going to be a little bit smaller, and the top, which is the smallest. Ta-da! Perfect. Now, since we have a little extra snow left over, I'm going to make a second snowman, but laying flat.
They're missing something.
What's that, Theo?
I think they need ojos.
Oh, that's right. Our snowmen need eyes. So let's see. Let's put the big ones on this snowman. Ooh, I know. We can also add a nose. I found some sticks outside, and we can use them for arms. If you have anything else lying around, feel free to decorate your snowman to make them look a little bit more festive.
¡Qué lindo!
They are pretty cute, aren't they? Okay, now it's time to melt them using science.
¡Con ciencia!
So we're going to add a little bit of vinegar and see what happens. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Do you see those bubbles? It's melting! When we mix baking soda and vinegar together, we make carbon dioxide gas. And that is what gets trapped in all of these bubbles we see. That was so fun! I loved making this chemical reaction with you.
It made me feel so bubbly inside.
Me too, Theo, me too. Remember, you can be a scientist anytime, anywhere. Thanks for visiting the lab. I loved doing science with you. I'll see you next time.